Whenever whenever we talk
Yeah.
about the self-introduction, the most important
Yeah.
aspect is that whom we are introducing ourselves to. If we are
Okay.
introducing ourselves on a professional front, particularly in the interview board or to some senior, or we have joined a new company, then the different kind of aspects and different kind of vocabulary is used. But whenever we are introducing ourselves in on the personal front, then we talk about the different things. Like, let us have a brief about yourself. You can make a brief based upon these things. What's your name, Abid?
My name is Avi Salmani.
Okay. How would you describe yourself, personality wise, look wise?
Yeah. I'm an Avi Salmani. I'm from Uttarakhand, but now
Okay.
I'm living in MP Madhya Pradesh.
Great.
I'm a hair and makeup artist.
Fine. Very good.
That's it.
No. Add something more. Talk about your, because you have said that professionally you are an artist. So tell us something about your achievements as well as from where you have done, because only that will add value to your introduction.
Okay. I have a 6-year experience in this field,
Very good. Excellent.
and I have a 6-month diploma in L'Oreal Professional.
Very good. And what are your strengths in your profession? What are your strengths? Why should people go for you rather than going for others?
Because I am fulfill my all client expectation.
Okay. So you can say, I'm sincere in my working and I see to it
Yeah.
that all the expectations of my clients are fulfilled. And
Yeah.
what more?
Different kinds of haircut, different kinds of hair color, and different style.
Very good. Absolutely good. Can you pick certain words from here so that they describe you better?
Sorry.
Can you pick certain, can you see the screen? I've shared the screen with
Yeah, yeah,
you.
ma'am.
Can you pick
Yeah.
certain words so that you can describe yourself in a better manner?
I'm a sincere, funny, happy, and friendly.
Okay, these are the words for the personal front. But on the professional, don't you think this reliable will go well,
Yeah.
right? So you can say, I'm
Okay.
sincere in my working. And as far
I'm
as
sincere.
my, pardon?
Yeah. I'm sincere in my working and reliable
And how many clients have you attended to as yet?
every day.
Nay, nay. In 6 years.
6
Thousands?
years.
Thousands?
Above to 1,000 to above, maybe.
Okay.
It's not a
So
correct idea, but lots of people have worked.
are there certain people who are well known whom you can cite as an example?
Sorry.
Are there certain people who are well known in Madhya Pradesh or the particular city in which you are residing and working, which you can cite as an example? Ki, I have served this person, so that the people can say that yes, you have worked, and they can also go for the feedback.
Yeah, they give me a feedback in Google.
Great.
In right?
Fine. So how many ideas now you have come up? Abid, have you jotted down something? Have you written down something? Or should I talk about them, the ideas you have just given about yourself, so that we get a very good introduction of yours? And that has to be impressive as well.
Okay.
You said
So
something about yourself. Now join all those introductory things which you have talked about, all those phrases as well as the sentences which you introduced whenever you talked about yourself. Hello, I'm Abid.
hello, I'm Abid.
Yeah, I am. Your profession? I am.
I'm Abid. I'm
Ah,
22. I'm from Uttarakhand. Now I am
okay.
living in Madhya Pradesh because I'm doing a job
I'm
and my
working in Madhya
profession is
Pradesh. Need not say
I'm
because
working in
I'm
Madhya Pradesh.
एक मिनट Abid. Just to interrupt you for a second. Need not say
Okay.
because that kind of reflect that as if you are not very happy staying in Madhya Pradesh. Getting my point? See, language is a communication tool, and it doesn't only reflect what you are stating about yourself, but rather it also reflects what you feel about yourself. So be very careful about the words which you speak. Getting it?
Okay.
When you said that
Yeah.
because of this and that, so you know that gave an impression as if you are unhappy being in Madhya Pradesh. That isn't so, na? So you can say that, hello, I'm Abid, I'm 22 years old, I'm from Uttarakhand, but currently I'm working in Madhya Pradesh, working as Philip, and I enjoy my profession. I've served thousands of people. As far as my professional integrity is concerned, I'm a very sincere and reliable person, and that can be confirmed from the feedback of thousands of my clients. And to add
Okay.
to it, you can further say that my specialty is that I am capable of giving new looks to the people just by working on their hair.
Okay.
Am I sounding better when you are
Yeah,
listening
ma'am.
about yourself? Okay. Now let's have your introduction. A very impressive introduction, which will make people think that yes, Abid is somebody we should always be going for getting our haircut as well as coloring done. Because he is an artist. He is not just a person who works in a salon. And this is what we want to convey, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe the practice के through ही होगा ना. One time is not a
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
perfect.
प्रैक्टिस होगा और प्रैक्टिस आप मेरे साथ ही करेंगे बार बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आप कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं कैसे अपने क्लाइंट्स को इम्प्रेस कर सकते हैं क्योंकि जनरली आबिद व्हाट हैपेंस इज जो हमारे क्लाइंट्स होते हैं ना दे गेट इम्प्रेस्ड not just because of our working but also because of our communication skills. You must have, like, you are also working for quite a long tenure now. You must have
Yeah,
observed
I can understand. I'm
है ना
improving to my communication skill.
है ना आपने देखा होगा कि जो सक्सेसफुल है आपके फील्ड में वो बहुत अच्छा कम्युनिकेट करते हैं इतना अच्छा कम्युनिकेट करते हैं कि क्लाइंट जब तक बैठा होता है उसको लगता है कि वही राजा है आई थिंक दैट इज द मैजिक in every profession. If we can make a client feel that he or she is the king and queen and we are there to serve the purpose, we are understanding most of it whatever they expect from us, and we are giving them what they really want, I think the magic is like successful. We can have many people.
Okay.
Because personally speaking, even when I go for haircut, I particularly go for a particular individual. You know, reason is not because he is really very good. There would be multiple people who would be really better than him. But I go for him because he understands me. He understands me
Yeah,
because he
it is true.
communicates. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now let us have a detailed introduction, Abid, which should reflect the confidence. Are you
Hello,
feeling
I'm
better?
Abid Salmani.
Yeah,
I'm from Uttarakhand.
great.
I'm a hair and makeup artist,
Absolutely
and I'm working in MP Madhya Pradesh,
impressive.
and I fulfill my client expectation,
Hmm.
and I work toward different kinds of hair color and hair techniques.
Hmm.
And every day I'm using a different techniques in my saloon,
Very good.
because everyone चाहने को क्या बोलते हैं? I don't
Wants,
know.
desires, wants.
Everyone wants the new things, so that's why I'm improving to myself, and I give to the best cut and best therapy to my clients.
Okay, Abid, let me give you a word. Rather than saying new, you say novel. Novel is a synonym of new, but it sounds very impressive. You can say everybody desires different as well as novel looks, and I work as per their expectation. Right? I'm friendly and reliable person. As far as my my working is concerned, that can be proven by the fact that I have served thousands of people as yet, and all of them have given me excellent as far as my feedback is concerned. Or you can simply say they have rated me excellent. All my clients have rated me excellent. I have been working for 6 years. I have got a training from a very reputed organization, that is Laurel.
Okay.
Are you in? Did I add
Yeah,
some
ma'am.
value to the words?
मैम ये पहले तो ये रीड करना पड़ेगा ना, आई मीन टू से कि पहले
हाँ,
याद करना पड़ेगा, रट्टा मार के तभी इसको हो पाएगा।
एब्सोल्युटली। देखो, मैं अभी देख आपको एक बात बताऊं। मतलब ये एक
Yes, ma'am.
कहते हैं ना कि ये एक हर एक का एक जो भी प्रोफेशन होता है उसका एक मंत्र होता है। कम्युनिकेशन का मंत्र ये है कि हम बोलने से पहले उसको लिखते हैं और प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। उसके बाद ही हम अपने आप को बेटर प्रेजेंट कर पाते हैं। और ये सच है जो मैक्सिमम ट्रेनर्स कोचेस शेयर नहीं करते। वो साउंड करते हैं जैसे वो नेचुरल है, लेकिन नेचुरल जैसा कम्युनिकेशन में कुछ भी नहीं होता है।
सॉरी, मतलब कैन यू डिस्क्राइब टू क्लियरली?
जैसे कि जो भी आपने सुना होगा, जो इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे होते हैं या फिर जो इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे होते हैं, मे इट बी द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, मे इट बी द एक्टर्स, मे इट बी द अकेडमिशियंस, मे इट बी द कोचेज और ट्रेनर्स। ये सब लोग जब बोलते हैं, आपने यूट्यूब पे भी सुना होगा, तो आप कहते होंगे यार कितना अच्छा बोलता है, हाउ फ्लुएंट द पर्सन इज। सुनने में लगता है ना?
जी मैम।
कोई 100 टाइम्स प्रैक्टिस करके आता है, कोई 1000 टाइम प्रैक्टिस करके आता है, और कम से कम 10-15 बार तो मिनिमम हर कोई नया जब बोल रहा होता है, इवन द पर्सन हु इज इनटू इट, मींस जो उसका प्रोफेशन है, उसके बावजूद भी वो भी जब बोलता है तो प्रैक्टिस करता है।